Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now in today's video guys, we'll be working here on BMW 3 Series guys, generation 2005-2013, and we'll show you, if you have the iDRIVE, how to find the fuse for the iDRIVE system and the screen. Okay, you can see the iDRIVE, the screen. If something's messed up, you're wondering if the fuse is good or not, we'll show in today's video guys how to remove and how to replace that fuse. So BMW, let me introduce you, uses 3 different fuse boxes depending on which year 3 series you have. So yours might differ a little bit, always double check with your manual. Now we have more than 200 videos taking electrical components apart and replacing electrical components on this BMW, so please hit that subscribe button guys for more videos. Now that fuse guys, you need to open your your fuse box here, your glove box, and the fuse box is located behind the glove box. You can see that cover here will need to be removed. So we have 2 turning things, they need to turn 90 degrees to point up. Okay, like that. And now we have the one on the other side here. Okay, and we can go ahead and pull it down. Now let me show you now where you can expect to find the fuse for the iDRIVE. In our case guys, it's fuse number 13. Okay, fuse number 13. So you can see how the top row has 3 different fuse box, 1, 2, 3. Fuse number 13 guys is on the very right side, okay, and it will be the 3rd fuse from left to right on the top row. 1, 2, 3. So that's the fuse, okay, right there. And if we get the fuse puller, okay, this is the fuse puller. This part you use on the small fuses, this one you use on the medium fuses. We are going to go ahead and pull the 3rd one out. Okay, let me grab it, it's so limited room there. Okay, and we just pulled it out like that. Let me get the new replacement fuse. Now when you install it, you have to make sure you get it the correct way, the correct hole as well, because otherwise if you try to push it and it's not lining up with the pins, you're going to damage something. So we can go ahead, put our fuse puller now here, and this guys is the procedure. All we have to do, close your cover here. Now this one will be the fuse for the iDRIVE. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.